Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to see how you can send USDT, which is Tether, from Bybit to Binance. So it's a pretty straightforward process, and if you have a good grip over these apps, you'll have a simple idea of how to solve this. So what you need to do is, first of all, you need to look and log into your Bybit account. From there, when you're logged into your Bybit account, you will see the assets section. You should open the assets section, and from there, you'll see the option to withdraw the process. From there, you'll begin the withdrawal process, and from there, you'll see that you can select USDT and you can input your Binance deposit address. It will show up right in front of you where you'll see all the options of where you need to withdraw and what you need to withdraw. In this case, you need to withdraw Tether and send it to Binance. So you'll choose the Tether option. From there, you'll choose where you need to send it. You'll select the Binance option, and from there, you'll input your Binance deposit address. You need to choose the right network, such as TRC20, which is Tron, so it doesn't put in extra fees. Since avoiding extra fees being put in this transaction is crucial, it will ensure a smooth transaction and it will also do negative extra costs. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.